What's up guys, and thank you for stopping by my channel. Today's project is this Poulan Pro lawnmower, and the problem is it won't start. Let's see if we can figure out the problem and fix it. This lawnmower isn't even that old. It still has the price tag on it. Let's go ahead and try to start it and see what happens and what doesn't happen. And that's not good. The brake cable is stuck and it's causing the anchor to come loose from the handlebars and obviously not letting the engine try to start. You can see the damage in the cable and it looks like it's been severely kinked, and I'm pretty sure I know exactly what happened. If we loosen these wing nuts on either side of the handlebar and bend the bar forward, we can see why the cable got kinked. The cables are ran in such a way that when the handlebars bent forward, they get caught at the pivot and get severely damaged. If you really need to bend the bars, try bending the bars downward. The cables are relaxed and won't get damaged in this way. Now that we know what the problem is, let's go ahead and replace the brake cable. Release the cable from the bail bar and then break any zip ties that might be holding the cable to the handlebars. Then release the cable at the engine. And once that's done, let's go ahead and install the new cable. And when you finally get it installed, let's go ahead and check to make sure that the cable is working properly. And finally, let's go ahead and prime the engine and try and start it. Well, it started, but it didn't stay running. And before we get ahead of ourselves, let's check the gas first. And what do you know? It looks like we're out of gas. At least we know that it does start, and afterwards when I added gas, it did run well. Thanks for watching Home Garage, and if you would, please subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you would, please check out my other videos. Have a good one, guys, and I'll see you in my next video.